Hello. All right. Hello. Welcome to A Day with Sheree. And welcome to A Day with Sheree. Don't mind me. I'm just having a little bit of coffee with my sugar. So I have been going back and forth thinking about, wait, hold up. Let me show you these cute cups that I got from Ross. They come with this little holder, and they come with a little thing of chalk right there, and you can just write whatever you want on the front. And I just thought they were so adorable, only like $4.99. And these cute pajamas I got from Amazon. I just got my box. I'm happy. I'm excited. Okay, so back what I was saying was that I've been going back and forth on what kind of MacBook I should get. I really wanted the MacBook Pro, and I had decided on getting the MacBook Air because it was like, I think it was $300 less, and I wanted to get the 256 SSD or gigabyte, or I can't remember, but they had the standard version, and then they had like 256, and then I think they had like 512 gigabytes or something like that. I ordered the 256, and it said it wouldn't get here until 3 weeks, and I'm very impatient because I do everything like Amazon Prime. Can I get it today? I don't know. I'm just super impatient that way. But I was just gonna wait on it after like going back and forth with, should I buy it? Should I not buy it? Should I buy it? Should I not buy it? I finally went ahead and went through with it. And I was gonna wait my 3 weeks. And then I decided that I didn't want that one, and I wanted to get the MacBook Pro. This day, I did not even go to sleep, like at all. I was up all night, and I was so mad because I canceled the one that was going to be here in 3 weeks. I canceled it because I wanted to try and get the MacBook Pro. I was like, I should just get the one that I want. I should just get the one that I want and just leave it at that and wait another 3 weeks. But then I saw the MacBook Air, the original version, the base model, and it said that it would deliver to me in 2 hours. So of course I had to just go ahead and get it. I watched a lot of reviews online, and they said that the base model works just fine, but a lot of that, I'll go through and I read a lot of the comments, for people who are like really techie people, so then I can try to kind of understand why it's such a big deal between the base model and the 256 gigabyte, and it's supposed to last longer or something like that, or be able to deal with multiple windows being open and things like that. So that's why I wanted to get the 256. But something about same day, 2 hours, like I think I bought it at like 7 a.m. or like 8 a.m. I bought it, and then it got to the house at like 10 a.m. And I immediately just had to get it because then I could just have it in my hands immediately. I could just have it. And I was like, I have like 7 days to return it or something. I bought it from the Apple Store. I really wish that I would have bought it from Amazon, because then I would have gotten it and I would have had 30 days to return it. But I bought it from the Apple Store because they had a student discount, but they don't make you fill anything out anyways. So even if you aren't a student, you can use the student discount. There's nothing stopping you. So I bought it, I received it, I'm opening it. I'm so happy. I've wanted a MacBook for years, and before this, I've been using my iPad Pro as a laptop for the past, I think, 4 years. And before that, I had like some little rinky-dink laptop, or like my work laptop that was like a terrible Acer that was just awful. and that's pretty much all that I had. So I've only been doing like my personal stuff, which is really just, well, I made an entire website on my iPad. I made my website on my iPad. I created all my stickers and my bookmarks, my children's book, writing my my novel, everything on my iPad. I mean, yeah, on my iPad. But I was like, I'm gonna be starting school. I'm finally gonna be starting school, and if I finally do actually sign up for school, and I actually get classes, and I actually get my financial aid, and I actually do this thing that I've been saying I'm gonna do for years, and I didn't, and I finally do, I'm gonna get my MacBook. I'm gonna get my MacBook.